Hello class. Today we are going to learn how to insert word art. Inserting word art can be done just about in any Microsoft Office application, and it's done the same way. But since we are using Microsoft Word, I will show you how to insert it in Microsoft Word. You first can go to insert from the menu bar, then you go to picture, and you go to word art. Next, you'll select the type of word art you want to choose. You press OK. Then you'll type your word art, what you want your word art to say. So we'll just keep it as your text here. You'll type it in and you'll press OK. Now remember, you can also change the style of your text. Okay, you can also change the size of it. We can make it bigger or smaller. And we'll press OK. So now you see that it says your text here. If you don't have this drawing toolbar, you need to go to your toolbar options, add and remove buttons, customize, and click on, make sure you have standard formatting, drawing, and the menu bar available. Make sure those are checked off. Then you close it out. Now since we have our drawing toolbar, we can, if you right click on it, you can format the word art here. You can change the color of it and your line. So I'll put a blue line so you can see. Now you see I have the fill color, which was the maroon, and the blue border line. Sometimes if you see I'm trying to move this text around and it's not letting me, that is because you have this black border with little black squares. We need to turn it into an object. And in order to make an object, it needs to have little circles. Each one of these squares needs to be circles. So you would right click on it, format the word art, go to your layout, and click on in front of text. Press OK. Now you see our squares turned into the little circles. Now all you have to do is get the four-sided arrow so we can move it around. You can move it around anywhere you want it to go, as long as you have the four-sided arrow. To resize, you need two arrows, the double-sided arrow, and you can resize bigger or smaller. You can go up, you could go make it longer, you can make it wider, you can make it however you want. Lastly, if you right click on it, we can, where's our, let me show our word art toolbar. Oh, it was on my other screen. Here it go. So usually whenever you insert word art, the word art toolbar will appear. I have two monitors and it was on my other screen, which you cannot see. And you can also edit the text or insert it. I mean, you could change it. Let's go to this one. No, that's inserting a new one. I'm sorry. Edit the text like this. You could change it. So now it says change. Okay. You can use the format from here instead of right clicking. You can do the same thing. We can change the shape of it. You see the shapes are changing. So you can change the shape of what it is that you want. And this is word art, same letter heights. See, all your letters are the same height now. Word art, vertical text. Now you made it vertical. And if you don't want it, you just unclick it. Word art alignment, and you could tell where you want it to go. Right align, left align, which is not really moving because it's nothing else around it. And word art character spacing. This is normal. If you say tight, all the letters get in closer. If you say loose, you have more space in between the letters. Very loose, you have it gets even more loose. So we'll just keep it at normal. But those are some of your options on your word art toolbar. And you guys created an object. Make sure you try that out because I'm sure you will have some problems where you will have a hard time moving your word art or possibly a picture. So have a great day.